So, the entire cosmos is being run with mathematical precision at this very instant. The orbits of the planets around the Sun, the orbit of the Sun around the galactic center, the orbit of all the 300 billion stars in the Milky Way around the supermassive black hole at the center. Like, consider how heavy even, let's say, a truck is. So imagine how much heavier the Earth is. Weighs something of the order of 6 into 10 raised to 24 kg, which is ridiculous. And that is a mere speck which is being flung around the sun at 30 kilometers per second. The amount of force necessary to fling an object of that mass at that velocity around a single point, which is the center of the sun. Think about the amount of force necessary for that and compare as a guide for comparison. Try lifting a truck. So the force necessary to carry out what I just described, spinning the earth around or revolving the earth around the sun, that force is immeasurably larger than the force required to lift a truck. And yet this goes on for billions of years. The earth is 4.5 billion years old, so it's been orbiting the sun for 4.5 billion years. So that's just the earth, and every planet, in addition to that, is being hurled around the sun at very high velocities. And that's just the solar system. There are most probably trillions of other planetary systems in the cosmos, in the observable universe. The observable universe, if we go by the Bhagavad Gita, is a mere speck in God's infinite being. The awe of it is transcendent. That's at the cosmic level. So if you go outward, look outward. If you look inward, you look at smaller things than yourself. Then we enter the quantum mechanical realm with those fundamental particles bursting in and out of existence. All the energy levels and transitions and wave functions, and it's turning into a rap, isn't it? Let's continue later.